Banana peel bacon.
Okay, I have no faith in this, but let's give it a go. Okay, so I guess she just took off some of the extra flesh on the peel. All right, I put it into bacon strip slices. I don't know. Okay, soy sauce. That's good. I don't have maple syrup, but I have honey, so that's what I'm going with. And then she said to season, so I'm just gonna season the heck out of it so I can't taste banana. Oh no. No garlic powder. Recipe is done for. Hopefully onion powder can save this. Just a wee bit. Paprika for the color. All right. This is gonna marinate for 10 minutes. This is why I'm not a vegan. All right, let's fry this bad boy up. I'll do a little bit of whoop. Tasty. Why am I doing this? It's sizzling like bacon, y'all. I love burnt banana peels. All right, here's my bacon. Does it pass as bacon? Absolutely not. Does it pass as a banana peel marinated in soy sauce and seasonings? Yeah, sure.